Hello, everyone. So, one of the other hot topics in town right now, will Ethereum be flipped by XRP? There is quite a lot of conversation about this over the past week or so. Maybe it's something we can go and have a little look into today. And join me for a little bit of an Ethereum XRP overview. Let's go. Let's stop wasting time. Let's start with the basics. First of all, Bitcoin is, as always, the numero uno coin in the space and probably likely will. But that leads us on to another video in the near future. Will Ethereum ever flip Bitcoin? So they call these type of events the flipping in, and especially for Ethereum to go over against Bitcoin. But XRP, let's be honest, like it or not, has had a really good run in terms of market cap over these past 2 to 4 weeks. An explosive rally. It's brought it back from, I think, like 9th to 10th place, right back up into the top 5, and has even taken Solana out for now. Is that going to be forever? This is an actual tight race. Currently, $135 billion in market cap over an XRP, and currently $448 billion market cap on Ethereum. So let's just go with the reality here that there still is a $300 billion discrepancy between the two, and Ethereum does have a lot more space for this flipping to happen. So what type of things would it take for Ethereum to lose? What type of things would it take for XRP to gain and win? So let's go through that today. The weekly chart of XRP looking good, as you can tell. And currently where we are in and around 40% away from the previous all-time high, which is in and around that 3.3 level, 3.28 level, depending on certain exchanges. So we are really, really close on XRP to its previous all-time high. A lot of coins are also. So huge rally already this cycle. It has taken a long time, but the good positive sign for all XRP bulls is that finally, and even myself used to take the mick and I still will, but we have broken the high of 2021. This ended up becoming quite a depressing moment for XRP holders. Couldn't quite get back into them highs and break previous all-time highs. And one of the very few big cap coins last cycle that could not achieve that feat. Yes, there was problems around it with the SEC, but it still did not achieve what we all expected. So not far away, 40%-ish currently at the time of this video. If we just move on to Ethereum, Ethereum from current price to its high is a little bit less. So 30%. So we've got 30% to an all-time high and 40% to an all-time high. Both charts, have their own pros and cons going on here. I really like the way that Ethereum is challenging this all-time high area. We really are trying to break out of this macro trend here, this longer term trend. And this is a huge, giant bull pennant if we've ever seen one. So Ethereum is really, really shaping up strong here, but a lot of people are losing patience with Ethereum. Now, who remembers only the other week, a lot of people were losing patience with XRP, and then it goes and puts in that big rally. So one thing's first, I have some price targets that I've given quite some time ago and recently in a previous video in and around $5 for XRP. That would actually put it to $270, $280 billion market cap coin. So do I think XRP can flip Ethereum this cycle? I still don't personally believe so, and we'll go on to some stuff in a moment. But that would have to it'll over double the current market cap, obviously. Then that would be asking Ethereum to actually drop. So as XRP is going up and having its bull run, and let's say we're going into alt season, I find it very, very difficult to believe that Ethereum is just going to go stagnant from here on, and is not going to actually trigger an alt season and help alt season from this day forward. So for a proper flipping in here, I think it'd be really difficult. You're basically asking Ethereum to do hardly anything and fall, and then you're asking XRP to take the whole mantle of all the big cap coins, and that is going to be the only big cap coin basically rallying this cycle. So that's something that I don't really see happening, if I'm deadly honest. So Ethereum against Bitcoin right now has a lot more room for current growth in this visual. So for example, these are 3 key levels against the Satoshi pair of Bitcoin that really will help Ethereum like no tomorrow. So breaking out of 0.046 Satoshis, then breaking out of 0.055, then breaking out of 0.061 to 62. This here would just be clear skies for alt season at that point, not just Ethereum. We do want both of these coins booming, right? We do need, and not just that, we need the top 10. We need them all to rally like no tomorrow to then ensure that we get that capital flow, the money flow down the market that starts going into our mid caps and low caps and gives us that parabolic bull run that everyone is wanting. But currently, at the moment, Ethereum from lows against Bitcoin is only up 18% and peaked at a nice 27%. If we look at XRP from lows, nice double bottom here as well. You can absolutely chart your Satoshi pairs the same way that you would chart your dollar pairs. So if we then move this up, currently 250% up against Bitcoin at the moment, and it peaked in and around that 350 level against Bitcoin. So if anyone, smart money or a smart trader, actually sold some of your Bitcoin short term and put it in a XRP anywhere in this area, you've actually gone and had a really nice return on your Bitcoin. So well done. So that leads me just onto that other point. XRP against Bitcoin has already had a really good rally and still has a big gap between here and to even catch Ethereum currently. Whereas Ethereum hasn't even woken up yet. So that again, leaves me to the point where I really don't see a flipping in happening, or especially this cycle. Now, who knows what's going to happen on previous cycles? I certainly don't know. I come from the Digibyte days. I remember Digibyte was supposed to take over Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP and everything else. And Digibyte was going to be the best thing on earth. And very, very quickly in the next cycle, going into 2020, it really wasn't, was it? And then going into 2020, Solana was a rubbish coin, give or take from a lot of critics. Well, Solana is their top 5. So things can change really, really quickly. So I don't want to be trying to guess the next cycle, but I don't think this cycle XRP actually flips Ethereum. Now, the most interesting one for me is this. Solana against XRP. We'll do this in potentially another video, but I really do think that this is the race to watch. I probably would even start looking at that race of Dogecoin and Binance Coin, even the top 10. I don't know if anyone is into football in the United Kingdom, but you got your American sports as well. And it's like trying to predict the table before end of season. And that's kind of what we're doing here. My prediction for this table, if we would want to do that, that will be Bitcoin number 1, Ethereum number 2. I think Tether is going to drop down into 7th to 8th. I think USDC is going to drop out of the top 10. So I would probably be putting Dogecoin above Binance Coin. I'll probably switch this around. XRP finishes 5th. Solana finishes 4th. Binance Coin in 7th. Dogecoin in 6th. I think Cardano drops out the top 10. And I think... oh, that is so, so difficult from there on. I'm not even going to lie, guys. I would be hawkeyeing what Render could actually do this cycle. I think Render has a high chance of really creeping up into them top 15s. So it's gonna be difficult from that point on. I don't know. Maybe we can do a video on top 10 predictions. So that's it really, guys. Just a quick video on what I think can happen. Please let me know in the comments if you think I'm talking nonsense, or give me some feedback on why you think I could be wrong or why you think I'm right as well. And do you have any other of top 10 predictions how we might finish this cycle? I will be absolutely interested to hear what you've got to say. And that's it from me. XRP has already had a really, really big run already. Ethereum has hardly even woken up. Price targets in and around them $5. It could even go higher, $7. But again, we're asking for a really, really, really big market cap there, and for Ethereum to basically give up this cycle. And that's the main bit. I think that's the bit that won't happen. And I think Ethereum is going to wake up soon and really help out alt season. So that's it from me. Thank you, everyone. And I'll see you on the next one. Hit the bell button, hit the subscribes, put some comments in, and let's get more sent out to you. All the best. Have a good day.